Hello everyone, Silvia Alexiev here, owner of the Salsa with Silvia dance studio. Well, this year we're not going to be dressing up for a Christmas party, at least not at the Salsa with Silvia studio, but I thought I'd dress up just for you. Because you know what? I am looking forward to 2021. I have hope and I believe that next year will be so much better for us. This past year, I don't even want to talk about it. It was, needless to say, a horrible, horrible year. For the studio alone, we opened our brand new studio in Bethesda in January and we had to shut it down shortly after that. We had an epic party in February to open the Bethesda studio, and then we had to shut down. What followed after that were some of the most difficult months I've ever experienced as a business owner. Not only I had to lay off so many of my team, but I had to figure out how to sustain the business with humongous expenses like $20,000 alone to pay the rent for both locations. It was just impossible to think how we were going to make it without any revenue. We turned the business into a virtual business over 3 or 4 days. And with your amazing support, we were able to bring in some revenue. You guys chipped in, you donated, and thank you so much for your support. That's how we were able to go through the month of April. Then in May, of course, the weather got nicer. Everybody started going out. Nobody wanted to do Zoom classes anymore. Our landlords weren't forgiving, so we had to keep paying the rent. I went through phases of depression, and then the next day I would wake up and I would think, I have to fight. I have to fight because we have created this amazing community of students that come to our studios and dance and smile and make friends, and some of them have met their significant others here, and it just fills me up with joy. And just the thought of that and the thought of the smiley faces of my staff, I had to keep going and I had to fight. So in the summer, we opened on June 22nd, and we started slowly but surely with our classes, with the kids' summer camp, with the adult classes. You guys were so amazing. Despite of being scared and uncertain, you came back slowly but surely. You put on your masks, and you just kept on dancing. We're so thankful for that. And again, November, just before Thanksgiving, we had another shock when Mayor Bowser said that gyms and businesses alike had to close. Well, I decided to fight. I decided that it's not fair that restaurants are being open and gyms and dance studios are being closed. You know why? Because there's no evidence or science that show that gyms and dance studios are the source of rapid spread of the virus. The problem around the holidays is home gatherings and family gatherings and friends gathering at home and not wearing their masks and being comfortable around each other. That's why the virus is spreading so much, because it's cold outside and everybody's gathering inside. And dance studios and gyms are the one place where people are coming to stay healthy, not only physically, but mentally as well, which is so important. Here, we're being more than safe. We wear our masks, we check our temperature, we have medical grade air purifiers, we had commercial grade HVAC system. We're being safer than safe. I decided to keep the classes going to stay within the new regulations that allow 10 people in DC and 25 people in Bethesda. And that's how we're going to sustain the studio, the business over the winter months. Anyhow, I'm not here to dread on 2020. I want to say bye to 2020. I want to close this chapter of our lives with the deepest sadness for people that have lost their lives and for people that know people that have lost their lives. I hope and I truly believe that 2021 will be a much better year for us, for everyone. With scientists working hard and vaccines coming our way, I believe that 2021 will be a fantastic year where we can return to the dance studios and be happy again and dance with each other and enjoy music and learning how to dance. I want to wish you a fantastic new year from the bottom of my heart. I hope that this will be a year that will make us forget 2020. Everyone, please stay safe, and I hope you'll join us for a brand new schedule that we have for you in 2021. Be safe, love each other, and continue to love dancing. Thank you so much. Last but not least, my staff, my teachers, I love you guys. I could not have gone through this without you and our students. You guys have been next to me. You have fought with me. You have been open to ideas, to new styles, to experimenting things, to how we're gonna keep people safe. You guys are amazing. We're an amazing team. I love you, and I hope that we all have a much better 2021.